Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be decorating my journal, which is called La Fleur, and it is a classic size happy planner. It is a vertical layout, and we're going to be decorating the week of October 2nd through the 8th. I decided to use stickers from Cassathetic Plans called Spooky Chic. I really, really love them. I've been using Cassathetic Plans stickers on more regular basis, and I love them. So if you have them too, you will know exactly why. They're just simply gorgeous. So I'm going to start with her boxes as well, so everything is matching. This color scheme that I picked has blue, pink, and brown. So unusual for a Halloween decoration, but hey, if it works, it works. I love it. I'm going to be using one of her already pre-made layers up here on one side. So as you can probably see from your video, this won't be very long because her stickers are so well made and you don't need to do too much to make them beautiful. In your planner, I mean. Okay, so if this is your first time joining me, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before and you're spending more time with me, even a bigger thank you for choosing to just spend some time with me and create spreads. Let me know what you guys do when you watch my videos. Do you plan yourself? Is this kind of like a background? Sometimes I will play YouTube videos in the background as I'm doing things like cooking or stuff like that. Let me know what you guys do when you watch, or whether you're just kind of chilling and winding down and that's your thing. So I kind of want to know what you guys are doing because I'm always so curious. If you're hearing my crazy little puppy barking in the background, that's because he's refusing to actually take a nap. He sleeps so little for a puppy, you guys. I don't even know where to begin with that. So the trainer said we need to enforce some naps. So I am trying. We shall see. I will keep you posted. But I will insert a picture of how he's grown in the couple months that we had him. So we had him now officially for 2 months. He has quadrupled in size. So I will include a picture for you guys. And I would love to share and show you what he looks like now. He's super cute, but super rambunctious as well. If you guys have pets, let me know their names. I want to learn more about you. Let me know what kind of pet, if it's a guinea pig, a bunny, a dog, a cat, whatever it is, or a horse even. Let me know because I'm always curious to see what names you guys have picked for your animals. Okay, now that we almost finished this side, I'm going to work on the other side and probably add a little bit more into this whole collection as well, and then do some layers myself. So I don't want my stickers to look like everybody else's, even though they will, because we all use the same books, but all of us use them in such a different way that unless you mimic, there's very few spreads alike. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting elements and layering them into those boxes, and I think that should be fun. Okay. And of course, this month, lots and lots of Halloween spreads. I love creating those, especially when they're not scary and spooky, but kind of cute and fallish. I love them. So, let me add this little pumpkin right here because it's so much fun. Oh my gosh. These blue flowers are just so beautiful and gorgeous for me. I don't know what it is about them, but I am obsessed. If you watched my currently spread with me, you saw that I took all the loose leaves from here and kind of placed them all around as well that just makes me so happy all the time looking at that spread. So I think this one will be the same, and I'm going to be super excited to start writing in it. Okay, let's see, a couple more things, and then we're going to be done. Because I still need room to write. That's the thing, that it's so hard because as much as I love decorating, I also would like some room to write in here. So I'm gonna add this and layer them a little. I almost think I should have taken the white edge off of it. Oh well, too late. I'm not ripping it off. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and start finishing this up, and I'm gonna put this back into my planner so I can write in it next week and really enjoy it. I like how this turned out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Have a great week. Bye.